fullest. Got him what he's had, we living with the realest, the trillest around. Shout out to Blake, he the one with the clout. Hating on me, but you was a clown. Ballin' so hard like I'm Stephen Rebound. Flexing these numbers, they asking like how. Taking your girl and she go bust it down. Pulling your bunny, we spray with the water guns. Hey yo, shout out Blake.
What's up, thoughts? Welcome back to yet another video. So before we get started, I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Currently at 344 right now as I checked. So yeah, we're getting close, kind of close, you know, but we're gonna reach each 100 by the time, obviously, because that's how numbers work. But yeah, each 100 I'll be like releasing more info on what it is, and you know, just giving a little bit like shout outs. You know, I'll be giving those away at every 100, and maybe a little bit more depending on it, but we'll have to see. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe and tell your friends, show your friends my channel to get closer to the 1,000. And you guys can say you guys were here before 1,000 subscribers, so that's pretty cool to say if I do become something, which hopefully. But yeah, so today is ways to stop the microwave at 3 a.m. So yeah, make sure you guys go subscribe. Actually, I have merch. I can go show you it. Number 1, Ollie.
What's up, guys? Athelete here. We're gonna check what's see inside the box.
Alright, so number 2 is the Fortnite addict.
Yeah, bro. I'll be right back, bro. I just gotta cook some noodles real quick, you know.
Number 3, Lil Pump. 4, the clumsy one.
Oh, gosh.
5, the person who has no idea what's going on.
Oh, shit. I better stop that before it goes. Oh, my gosh. No. No.
6, Ollie A, Part 2. Next one is the really loud one. Next, the mess maker.
What? What the heck? What the heck, man?
The baller. The high-tech one. The even more high-tech one. The super unnecessarily pumped one.
Man, I'm about to eat me some good noodles. Yeah, boy.
And lastly, the dancer. Can you not?
Is it recording?
Yes. Go! Go, Thought. Be gone, Thought!
Do the thought walk. Hey, the thought walk.
Okay. Well, back to my story.
What's up, guys? That is it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Comment which one you guys are. I would like to know. If there are more than one, which I definitely am. Mostly the dancer one. That one's kind of cool. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to drop a like on the video so I know that you guys like this. Comment video ideas. I love reading your guys' comments. Those are nice. If you made it this far, make sure to comment Thought Squad. and I'll be sure to reply to you and heart it and all that. As you know, if you subscribe, you join the Thought Squad. Make sure to subscribe if you have not already. My dad just walking outside. Watching me record. But yeah, I have merch in the bio. You guys can go click on that. Check it out if you guys would like to. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Make sure to subscribe. I'm on my road to 1K. It'd be an honor if you would join me. And I'll see you guys when I post next. Peace.